Hello guys, good morning. Today I will try just to answer a question of one of my subscribers asking what is the best way or the best strategy to trade stocks, like swing trading. You know, it's just a puzzle. Here is the puzzle or the game. The stocks go up and go down. Now, what is the problem? Is you don't know which will go up and continue and which ones will go down. Now, any trader in the world, it's not just in the USA or Europe or America or Asia or wherever is the continent. Wherever you are in the world, the only thing that matters is the direction of the stock. Is it going up or is it going down? Most of the beginners try to buy stocks when they are going down, okay? Thinking that they can catch the bottom or what we call the support, and then when they get the support, it goes up and they can make a lot of money. This is true if you are right. But for me, as a professional trader, it's different. I don't look at stocks that go down. Now, what is the reason? The reason is that if a stock is going down, there are two actions that happen to this stock. I'm not thinking about the company itself. I'm thinking about the stock itself. Okay, stock as a ticker, as a symbol. Okay, let's say Facebook FB is going down. Why? Two actions. Someone big is selling, or a lot of people are selling. That's why the price is going down. And the second action is shorting or short sellers. Short sellers are professional traders. Mostly are day traders. Okay? Each day they are looking for stocks to short. It means to put down. Now you ask me why they do that, why they don't buy and it will be okay for everyone. Okay? We buy all and the stocks will go up and all will make money. Okay? But you know, the game is different as you might think. The game of the stock market is so different from any kind of business. And just a minute. So, to understand the game, you should take all the information, the old information that you have before about the market. If you are following news, CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, websites, bloggers, chat rooms, forums, and you think that someone professional will give you a free advice like this or free stock and you can make money, this is illusion. Okay? So the best way is to trade by yourself or to get a training. Now, why is that? Because there are a lot of things that you don't know about trading itself. I'm not speaking about companies and how do they grow or competition or earnings. No, I'm speaking about the trade itself. How to buy, how to sell, how to stay, how to follow a trend, how to put stop loss. Okay? I have received a lot of emails and they told me, oh, my broker has no stop loss. How can we get it? What? So I was astonished. how can you with a broker that has no stop loss order? It means how can you exit when the thing is wrong? Okay. Now, these millions of ways to trade, what are they? Millions of ways, I mean that each trader in the world is trying to find a way to make money from the market, and he can use whatever he wants to use. So for you also, you can use whatever you want. You can use moving averages, you can use indicators, in use, company earnings. You can use whatever you want. But what makes you successful is when you understand how to trade. You understand the small basic techniques, how to buy, and most importantly, when to enter. And this is one of the biggest problems that traders face, when to enter. Okay, so I have made other videos about the ways to enter a stock, either from resistance line or from the support line. This is the major two things that the people are following. Some people, they try to see earnings. They follow dividend. It means there are a lot of ways to enter a stock. So each trader has a way. Now, if you are consistent with your way, you will succeed. It means you just try again and try again and try again until you find a way to make money from the market, because the market gives you right sometimes in the year, and other times of the year it gives you wrong. Okay, because you don't know what is the direction. The most important thing in swing trading, as in trading or investing, is the same thing. You ask yourself one question when you buy a stock: are you right or wrong? Now, how do you know? For example, in swing trading, if you buy today, tomorrow you see the stock. If it goes up, you are right, so you must stay. Okay? If you don't stay, if you stay only for one day and you get $100 or $50 or $70 or whatever, this is not a kind of money that you can make in stock market. Because if you win $100 because you are right, and tomorrow you buy another stock and you lose $100, so by the end of the year, tell me, can you make money? You will never make money like this. Okay, never. Why? Even if you are neutral, we have commissions. Okay, since if it is $100 win, 100 like a profit, $100 like loss, by the end of the year with commissions, because you spend commissions, your broker is taking commission from you, you will see that you are down, although you have made some good trades and you have done bad trades. The only thing that you should take in consideration is that you should never have what we call big losses. Big losses is mostly when you don't put a stop loss, is when you let the stock go wherever it wants without stopping it. It takes your money and you are happy with that. And you say, oh, the stock will go up again. Who tells you that the stock will go up again? Who? This is the question I always ask all the traders or my subscribers or my viewers when they send me an email. And they say, okay, I buy a stock, it goes up few days and then it goes down, and then I begin to lose money, but I am sure the stock will go up. I ask him the question, how are you sure? Who tells you that any stock will go up to the price that it was? For example, a stock, you see that it was $10, after 2 months, 3 months, it goes to $20. It doubled. But you bought it at 20. and then it begin to go down to 15. Okay, so when it goes to 15, when you go to $15, you think that the stock will go up again. Now, how this idea comes to your mind? Because you see other stocks that go up, but this stocks is not your stock. Okay, and you can't predict the future. You can't predict. You can't say, because if you can predict, you can make millions and billions of dollars. If you can predict very well, okay. If you any stock that you take, you are right, so you can make millions of dollars. So when I ask you a question, why aren't you making money? Since you predict and you think that you are right always. That's why you should accept the market decision. Okay, if you buy today the stock at 20, tomorrow is 19, it begin taking money from you. So you should try to find a way to exit this trade, because if you stay from 19, it can go to 18, 17, 16, and you lose that much money. Now, if you buy a stock at 20 and tomorrow is 21, why you exit? Some traders, they send me like messages like this, and they say, oh, I'm scared that the stock will go down. But who tells you that the stock will go down? Okay, so either ways you are mistaken. Either ways you are mistaken. That's why you can't make the money with your mindset, which is a false idea about the market. Okay, false ideas. This what makes you lose money. It's not the trading itself. You are right. You buy a stock at 20, tomorrow is 21. Instead of waiting more to get more money, the market is giving you money because you are right. But you exit the trade and you take this $100 and you are happy, and you think that you will become the most successful trader in the world. When the problem is, when you exit, after a few days, you see this stock from 21, it goes to $30. After 2 months or 3, it goes to 50, 60, 70, 100. And then you begin to cry and you say, why I didn't stay in that trade? Okay? This is about going up. Now, if you buy a stock at 20, it goes tomorrow to 19. And you say, no, it will go up again. Okay, the other day it goes to 18. And you begin to see that you begin to lose some money. And you say, no. Next day, next week, next month, I will stay. So, if you are staying too much, the market will take your money. And someone, which is very funny, he told me, oh no, this loss is unrealized. This is what I see in my broker. Unrealized. It means if I don't sell, I'm not having a loss. Really? I don't understand these people. You lose $200 or $500 or $1,000, and you see it that you lose, and you think that it is not real until you sell. Okay, and suppose that you lost 1,000, and after 2 weeks or 3 weeks it becomes 2,000, 3,000, and after a while you lose all your money. What do you say? Unrealized? Yes, unrealized. Stay unrealized until you see your stock $1 or 1 cent or 10 cents. Okay, this is the ideas that makes you always left behind in trading. You don't want to learn. These ideas that is in your mind makes you not be profitable from the market, because the market is very easy. It's just a simple game. But you complicate it with your ideas that I don't know from where you read it from books, or you watch someone on CNN or CNBC or I don't know, or Bloomberg, and they give you ideas that are false. An idea about investing doesn't go to swing trading. An idea in swing trading doesn't go to day trading. So these are styles of trading that are so different. So don't mix them. Don't begin, for example, in the morning. You want to do day trade. Okay, you want to try. You buy a stock in the morning at 9:30, and it goes a little down, down, down. You stay until the end of the day, and then you tell yourself, today is not a good day, so I should leave this stock for tomorrow. Now, what's the mistake that you have done right now? The mistake that you have done is you begin with day trading and you switch to swing trading. Day trading and swing trading are totally different. They should have different strategies. They should have different plans. That's why you make mistakes. If you are doing day trading, you should stay doing day trading. You open the position and you close it before the end of the day. You should do that. Don't leave a position overnight, because if you leave it overnight, this is called swing trading. And if you tell me, for example, it doesn't matter swing trading or day trading, for me, I just want to make money. Yes, but the plan, how to plan for day trading, the stop loss, the amount of money that you should lose is little compared to swing trading. Okay? Instead of losing $20 or $50, you end up losing $200, $300, $500. This is because you mix styles. Okay? So these are just ideas that I want to share with you about trading. There are millions of ways of trading because there are millions of ways traders do. No trader is the same as the other trader in the techniques, in the ways he do business. Either you are profitable or no. This is another story. But I'm speaking about ways to do business. Some people use indicators and they can't trade without an indicator. He put 1 or 2 or 3 indicators on his chart, and he begin to have valid entries. Some people, they want softwares to get them signals and sell signals, buy signals or sell signals, and they are spending too much money and they are not getting too much money, or they lost a lot of money. And that's these ways of doing business. Now, for me, I simplified all the ways of doing business, of trading, in swing trading. Now, what does it mean I simplify? I simplify, it means when I see a chart, you don't find anything except for a resistance line or support line. That's it. My chart, if you can see my my videos, when you see charts, there is only one line or two. That's it. I don't use indicators. I don't use moving averages. I don't use any other means, news. I don't use volume. I don't use all the things that a trader use, because by the time of if you are trading for a long time, you will understand that all this is just noise. Okay? It's just noise. It will never help you predict the market. But putting a resistance line or support line, it shows you where the stock is going. That is so simple. That's why in my training or in my stock picks, I try to simplify things and give information that is, I don't say exact, because there is no sure thing about the market, but it is the entry that it is very, very important. When to enter a stock. Okay? When you see the big trend and you see the bottom and you see the end of the trend, okay? You hope and you say, why I don't enter this stock here and I will be making money here. But the problem is that when you see that chart, when the stock is going up, you don't buy because you are scared. Or you say, oh, what if the stock goes down? Yes, let it go down. What's the problem? Okay? There is no sure thing. Why you want a sure thing in a business that there is no sure thing? Why? I always compare, try to do the contrast between trading stocks and trading cars. It means you are selling cars. Now, if you want to buy a car, you should go to some websites and gives you the book value of the car. Okay, let's say in the market, a car, let's say is $10,000. This is what they say about the year and the make and the model of the car. It's $10,000. Okay, if you find it elsewhere, you are searching for ads about cars and you find it 8,000 or 7,000. You go and you rush and you buy it because you know that this car is under the value, so you can sell it at 10,000 and you can make money. But for stocks, there is no this book value or what they say. The value of the stock, as I told you before in one of my videos, is the price that you see now. There is no sure thing that the stock will go up or go down. You don't know, and no one knows. If someone tells you, I know, ask him just a question. Okay? Do you know the future? He tells you no. I say, okay. I don't want to listen after that. Now, the strategy is just helps you have a better entry, but it doesn't give you the exact moment when you enter and it is a sure thing. There is no sure thing. That's why trading or stock market is a business that it is so different from other businesses. So you don't apply. If you are a businessman, or you are successful in a business or in a specialty, or you are an engineer, or you are a doctor, or you are wherever you are, and you have a good education, and you are an economist, you are someone who knows a lot. But the problem is that trading is a game. If you don't understand the game, whatever knowledge you have, you will never succeed. Because trading is an art. You should understand the game. When you understand how things works, and then you can make money by the time you have experience and skills and how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, how can you make money? It's a business. You should learn by 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. You should learn the business, and then you can make money. Okay? It's not a magic formula that someone gives you and then you become successful. You should get the success to make the money on the market. No one will hand you the success. It means, even for me, if I teach you how to trade, I can't make you successful because you should work. You should work on the things I give you in order to be successful. So success is you that you are searching for. It's not someone who hands you success. Because if success was just a matter of money, all the people who have money, they can buy success and they become successful trader, which is not. Okay? Some people, they have big money and they lose always money from the market. Why? Although they have money, they can have knowledge, but they don't know how to trade. And this is something that you should learn. Okay? You should learn. There is no other way. It's a business. Like any other business. It's not just to manage a business. Okay? You should know the techniques. You should know the ways to trade and to make money in the market. Okay? This is about when I say millions of ways to trade. This is because there are millions of traders in the world, and all they are searching for a strategy or a method or a way to make money very easily and for sure thing. But this sure thing, I always told you, there is no in the market. So you are wasting your time searching for a sure thing. Okay, that's why you go to the news, you go to these gurus, you go to CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, and you try to search an information that makes you the money. Okay? Most of the information online are outdated. It means they are late. They are late. Okay? You see a stock is going up for 1 month or two, it's going up, and then when the news comes, the stock goes down and you are buying. Okay, so this is the thing. So from now on, try to take these bad ideas from your mind, okay, and try to learn a true learning. Try to learn how to trade stocks without this noise of the market, without all this information that it is in your mind, that it doesn't help you. It didn't help you in the past. How can you stay with these ideas for the future? So it's high time. It's 2015 and we are in March. We should stop all this and try to begin fresh from the beginning and try to understand the game. And believe me, when you understand the game, you make the money by force because you know how things works. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.